Welcome to another episode here on A New Life in France. What a beautiful day this is, and look at what's behind me. What we're actually going to be looking at today, we're going to be looking at a chateau, which you can see, and some beautiful grounds and some gorgeous views just behind the camera I'll share with you in a second. But what we're looking at here today, we're looking actually at an apartment. So this is an apartment set in this chateau complex, and to say it's a complex, it's beautiful, it's vast, it's massive, and I think for this property you're going to be really intrigued to look inside and look at the possibilities of what this apartment can offer you and everything else that is on offer. I think it is simply stunning, not just because the sun is shining, it's a beautiful day, but I think it is just stunning. And on cue we've got a little bell going on in the background as well, and that probably is time to go and show you more. Well, once inside the apartment, and we're on a first floor apartment, we come some beautiful stairs that are there, so steeped in history. Now remember, this is an apartment in a chateau complex. The apartment itself, actually, I think the buildings we're in are actually probably the old stabling. You have to remember, going back to the 16th and 17th century, stabling was actually quite grand. Beautiful chateau there as well. And within that you have the extensive grounds, which I can just see from here as well, and within that you've got a beautiful pool, you've got tennis courts, and you've got so much ground just to walk around and lose yourself in as well. Have to remember, the apartment is part of a complex. Within that complex there are people here who are residential, live here all year round. Other apartments are let out, you know, for people to be able to rent, particularly in the summertime. So you've got people coming in and out all of the time. But the situation it's in is so beautiful. And what I like about this apartment, it's very compact, and so you come up beautiful stairs and then you come into a lovely little galley kitchen. Again, you've got a window looking out. You come then into this sitting dining room, and actually this is deceptively large in terms of what's in here. And this to me is pretty much the heart of the apartment. Got two lovely windows just there looking out. I mean, one of the windows, the views just go on and on and on, and you catch the side of the chateau as well. So it's just beautiful, and it gives you that little bit of history. So in here you have got the sitting and the dining room, as I said. Then what you've also then got, you've got two big bedrooms, nice bedrooms to come in. Again, a little bit of style in there, a little bit of history. You've got a lovely fireplace in one as well, and I really love that. You get that lovely feel of the sort of honey stone that's here, but it's slightly white as well. You've then got a lovely bathroom, okay, and in the bathroom there you've got the bath and the overhead shower. You've got another room, very much used as a study and storage at the moment, that just comes off this area. So for under 150,000 euros, in where this is situated, I think this is beautiful. It needs a lick of paint, I'm not going to shy away from that. It needs a little bit of touching up here and there, but you can put your own stamp on this and you can decide what you want to do for it. So for me, it's got lots going for it, and I think it's great. Let's have a little bit of a look at the outside, and then let's recap on where we are. Really hope you've enjoyed having a look around this lovely apartment. It's just not the setting. The setting is one part, but the apartment itself is really lovely and cozy, and you really could make your own stamp on it. You could make it exactly what you want. Now do remember, with this particular apartment, there are 14 acres within the grounds of the chateau that you can enjoy, and there's only 23 apartments. And you've got that amazing swimming pool. You've also got a little bit of an area, it's not actually part of it, but there's lots of common areas where you can put your chairs and tables, enjoy your morning coffee. And again, I love that. So you come in here, and as I said, I'm pretty sure this was the old stabling. Got those beautiful stairs to the apartment. The apartment's got everything you want. I like it, and I think for the price and where we're situated in this glorious sunshine, the swimming pool you'd be enjoying, it really is something to have a look at. It's under that 150,000. It would be a great apartment if you wanted to live here full time, probably as a couple. Also, if you wanted it as a second home or a holiday home as well. And remember, in the summer, this is busy, but it's so much space as well, you really wouldn't know it. And I've been having a good wander around the grounds, and yes, there are people playing tennis and are in the swimming pool, but it's so lovely and peaceful. There's also a restaurant just behind this door, which again is a really nice thing to think about. So I love it, and really hope you do as well. Hope you've enjoyed today's episode. Remember to subscribe, press that subscribe button. Each and every week we bring you 2 properties from all sorts of different prices all over France for you to view. Remember, we have a French lesson every week as well. We bring you stories, news and so much more. You can find out more information on our website, anewlifeinfrance.com. Look forward to seeing you next time.